Hello and welcome to a quick FacilityQuest video about visualizing occupancy with heat maps. First, here is the floor plan with the observation stops, the blue dots. Utilization data has already been gathered, and every blue dot can show the occupancy and primary activity observed here. So I can click on B1 and go to use and see that unoccupied is 43.8%. By the way, it also shows primary activity in the room, such as computer use, at 26.5%. To look for patterns of occupancy, we can view the floor plan as a heat map. And I can choose occupancy, and these colored dots, I can make them mean what I want. And so, for instance, green right now represents everything from 0 to 30%. I'm going to just make this 20% here and say that the green I want to show as gray. We now see the average occupancy per space throughout the test period, usually 8 times per day for 1 to 3 weeks. But we can also look at the patterns throughout the hours of the day. So I can come here to say occupancy by hour, and it shows us at 8 a.m. that all of our occupancy was under 20%. And then I can move forward in the day to 9 o'clock, and there's some pattern here of people getting in right at 9 o'clock on a very, very regular basis, as well as over here and so forth. And then as we progress through the day, we can see that the gray is disappearing. We've got a little bit more orange, which is above 50% of occupancy, and so forth. So then we get to 12 o'clock and our occupancy is dropped off for lunch. And then again at 1 o'clock, it's dropped off even more. But it comes back, and we can see how it changes throughout the afternoon until it goes back to gray at 6 o'clock. Let's go back a little bit to an earlier part of the day and say that we want to see more specifically what any one of these dots means. So I can just click on it right here and know exactly that the occupancy for this orange was 64.7%. By orange, it means that it's over 50%, but now I know exactly what that means. And likewise, I can click on any of these red dots and get a more specific idea of what they are. Thanks for watching, and please contact us to learn more about running your own affordable occupancy measurement projects.